Hi, I'm Matt Stringer, and today we're going to be setting up a dual aileron Xbus servo setup on my 104-inch Extreme Flight. And today we got two DA600 servos, and right now we're going to be syncing them up together. First things first, you want to make sure that you have your linkage disconnected. We're going to be having both servos turned on and moving your bolt back and forth until you find the happy spot. Okay, so we are now syncing up the servo's neutral on the outside. We have the servo linkage disconnected, and we're going to be taking the bolt and putting it through this. Now we go to our neutral adjustment in the Xbus menu. This direction happens to be positive, so I'm going to be clicking it in 10 increment positive a few times and just put my bolt here until I start feeling it. So now it's free. And we have the neutral. So now I'm going to hit set, success. And now we're going to check the travel both ways, see if it's close. All right, it's pretty synced up with the other servo. Later, we're going to use a voltmeter to adjust the amp draw and really fine tune in these servos. Okay, so now we got our voltmeter set up. What we're going to do is step these endpoints down to 3. This will give us a smaller increment of adjustment when we're making the movements. So, for the travel high, we're going to figure out which way that is. It appears this is left, so we're moving in the correct direction. So we got it pretty nice. That's 0.01. That's pretty nice. You want to be there, and you can hear that there's no servo buzz. So now that you got that there, you're gonna hit set. Now we're gonna go to the low. So we're gonna do the same thing. So it's normally at 10. We're gonna drop it down to 3. So now, since we just did left aileron, which was high, right aileron is gonna be low. So we're gonna be going here. And you can see we're a little bit off. It's reading 0.09 right now. So we're gonna figure out which way it needs to go. Negative is not the way. Hitting positive. All right, 0.01, it's pretty happy. So now remember to go back over here and hit set to save your settings. Now that we have synced up both of these servos and got them happy on the voltmeter so that they're not fighting each other, now we're ready to put all the bolts back in place and make sure they're tight, and then you're ready to go out and hit the skies.